Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make miniature jewelry just using a couple of things. So first I'm going to start off by taking the thinnest wire that I have, and I'm using my needle nose plier to make a circle. It's kind of like almost a jump ring, except for I'm leaving a long piece so I can connect it into the clay. And I'm using Sculpey Polymer clay. I'm using it in gray because I would rather use it in gray since I'm going to paint it anyways. And now I'm just going to take my end of my paintbrush and I'm going to make an indentation into the center. I'm using my Folk Art copper color paint or bronze, it's either copper or bronze, to paint it. And then I'm taking my Kato liquid clay and I'm going to mix in some red chalk pastels. You can use whatever color you have. These chalk pastels I got at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to mix it up with a toothpick, and then I'm just going to dab some into the little indentation that I made with my paintbrush. And now that I'm going to bake that, I'm going to add in some liquid clay into these little circles that I made just using wire, and I just use my needleless plier to keep making circles, and I'm just gently putting the liquid clay into each little circle. Now this is the bracelet, and I am taking a piece of foil and I'm going to wrap it around my doll's wrist to get the length that I want, and then I'm going to take some polymer clay, the same gray Sculpey. I'm just putting a little bit of that clay onto the foil that I made for the bracelet, and then I'm going to go back and curve it onto the doll again so I can get a nice rounded shape. I'm going to continue to use the craft paint that I'm using. I think this was bronze. I have to believe it was bronze rather than copper. But anyways, I'm just going to take the folk art paint and I'm just going to brush it on the clay while it is not cured yet. And then I'm going to make little indentions with my paintbrush again, and then I'm just going to scoop in some of that liquid clay. You can't really see it in this clip because my hand was too far away from the camera, but I am just taking that little bit of liquid clay, and I'm just dabbing it into the little holes that I made with my paintbrush, and then I go ahead. So that is it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!